While on a peaceful family vacation, we met an alien creature and accepted it into our life. This is the story of how we encountered a strange but fascinating fish, turned a regular bottle into a marine ecosystem, and thus discovered the secrets of the mysterious pipefish. We went on a family vacation in beautiful Denmark and took the kids to the beach. While swimming in the sea, we spotted something strange, a thin twig, but it was twitching like a worm. This is when we realized, this is not a worm, this is a fish. But no ordinary fish, a strange and mysterious creature from an alien world. We had to keep it, at least to find out what kind of animal it really was. But we couldn't keep it in a yogurt bucket for long, so we quickly built an ecosystem. An ecosystem is super simple to make. Scoop up some dirt from the seafloor, add a few plants, and of course water. The plants generate oxygen, and there should be at least some food for our new friend in the soil and water. And the lens effect of the bottle makes everything look bigger, which made it even more fascinating for the kids to watch its inhabitant. Not your regular fish you might see in an aquarium or in a movie or even on your plate. It just looked so very different. It had what few fish have, a snout. It was long like a stick, but with fins, 2 on the side, 1 on the back. And it was hungry. It started hunting by gasping at invisible prey. Well, invisible to us. There was loads of plankton in the water, enough to keep it fed and busy. And our friend had huge eyes. Look at them move and stare, and well, that's when it became obvious. The fish was watching us. Now that we had gotten to know the fish a bit better, we were curious what it was called. The kids just called it Tim. Tim was certainly a great name, but to learn more about little Timmy, we needed to know what species it belonged to and what Latin name he has. AI helped until it didn't. ChatGPT was certain, but Gemini was also certain, but they did not agree. After a bit more research, it seems likely it's a Syngnathus, likely Syngnathus typhle or broad-nosed pipefish. Pipefish are closely related to seahorses and sea dragons, but their body shape mimics seagrass, so they are virtually invisible. Except, of course, when a curious swimmer comes along. In pipefish and seahorses, it's the dad that gets pregnant and gives birth to the offspring. But little Timmy here is himself still a kid, it seems. After 3 days in captivity, we made the decision to say our farewells and release little Timmy back into the sea. Let's hope he grows up to become a big, bold pipefish and live a happy life.